Alright, I guess I should start the vlog now. What's going on, guys? It's Divij. Welcome back to another video. Today we are heading to a brand new fix and flip property. So excited to show you guys this one. This one's got a lot of potential. It's a bank-owned house. It's always better to be first as opposed to last. You know, the early bird gets the worm, as they say. So this property's got a lot of potential. It's a smaller lot. It's only about 1,600 square feet. But I was looking at the comps, and the houses in the area are selling for literally almost $130,000 higher. I think this property's got a lot of potential, so let's go check it out. I'm gonna show you guys the inside of the house, and then I'm gonna show you guys how to actually make an offer on a property like this. How do you actually try and get a house under contract, right? That's like the whole goal is in the industry, we call it locking the property up, and that is basically getting the property under contract. So we're gonna show you guys how to do that today. And it's gonna be a great learning experience, so make sure you guys stick with me. Right now we're getting on the freeway, so I should probably stop vlogging. Before I do, make sure you guys subscribe, hit that like button, turn post notifications on, and let's go look at some houses. All right, guys, so we just got to the neighborhood. This neighborhood actually has a lot of curb appeal, which basically means that the houses actually look really good from the outside. So that's always a good thing, because people don't wanna live in an area that doesn't look nice. They wanna live in an area that is attractive, so take a look. All right, and there it is, guys. This is the house right here. I don't know what's going on back here. So it looks like there's a little garage, or like a little detached garage right there. So we gotta go check out what that is, but that's the house right there. Let's go walk in and check it out, yeah? Let's go. All right, guys, so we just got to the property. We're gonna go take a look inside. You never really know what the condition of these houses are. They could be super run down. They could be really fixed up. I'm assuming this one's not fixed up just because the way it looks on the outside. That's the house right there. But this is actually a foreclosure, so that means that it's actually a bank-owned property. So the bank basically foreclosed on whoever owned the property because, you know, they weren't making their payment. Let's go inside, let's check it out. And again, these smaller houses, this property is only about 760 square feet. Houses actually sell for quite a bit in LA, so a 760 square foot house in Los Angeles might be selling for 400, 450,000, whereas if you go into Riverside, it's selling for like 200 to 250,000. So regardless, I'm gonna stop talking, let's go inside. And hopefully there's nothing weird or fishy inside. It's basically just Bluetooth. And it should pop up. And boom, so there we go, guys. We got the key. All right, guys, let's pop it open. Hello? You always gotta scream hello before you open the house, because you never know who's in here. There could be squatters, there could be people just kind of hanging out in the house, basically trespassing. But this house looks like it is vacant. So here it is, guys. Definitely beat up, pretty run down. It looks like there's maybe a leak or something, so you're definitely gonna need a new carpet. You gotta investigate what's going on underneath there. Looks like the fireplace was closed up or something. You know, probably have termites up there. And look at that. Look at that kitchen, guys. I think it just kind of broke right there, but it looks like there's maybe something going on down there. I don't really know. Looks like someone maybe tried to break in there. This is a small bedroom with a closet. Looks like someone named Chava used to live here. Chava. Oh, bathroom's not bad. Salvageable. Yeah, it's got a nice tile. Little bathtub. And then I guess this would be another bedroom. So that's the house, guys. Little storage closet. So that's what it is, guys. Definitely not the cleanest house, but this is honestly not even the worst I've seen. Some of these flips are disgusting. When I mean disgusting, I mean disgusting. But this really ain't that bad. So it's got potential, man. It really does. You know, you could imagine a little cute little family dining area here. You know, yeah, it's got potential. All right, guys, so we just checked out the house. A couple of thoughts on this one. There's definitely something going on in the attic, and there's also definitely something going on with the foundation. It looks like there may be some sort of foundation issue. You know, it's built in I think the 50s, so it's really not that old, but you always have to make sure that you have the inspector go out and check the foundation when you get the home inspection. And of course, if we do put an offer on this, it would be contingent upon an inspection being done. So even if we decide after the fact we do the inspection, we don't like the property, you can always just take back your offer and you wouldn't lose your EMD until you actually remove that last contingency. So it's got a lot of potential, man. It really does, but it's gonna need a lot of work, probably 40, 50 grand worth of work. So I'm thinking about offering probably just the listing price. But it's a nice little house. It's got a little driveway too, so yeah, that's that, man. On to the next.